This is the viral math. Here 8 divided 2 into 2 plus 2. So what is the answer? You have 10 seconds to answer for it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now, here is the answer. If I divide it at first 8 divided 2, then it will 4 cross 2, 2. So it will be 4, 16. Some of other answer will be, if I work at first 8 divided 2, 2 plus 2, then it will 8 divided 2 to 4. So 8 divided 2, 2 into 4, it's mean 8, 1. So which one is correct? You have to understand at first paid mass and BOD mass. What is paid mass? What is BOD mass? If we follow paid mass, then you can see here multiplication, then division. So here we will at first multiplication, then we got 8, then we divided 8 by 8, it will 1. It is 1. So that's not correct actually. But why? Our rule is follow the math, then why is it wrong? The answer is, here multiplication and division, you have to apply your left hand side, not right hand side, left hand side. If left hand side give here divided, then you have to first work divided. So when 8 divided 2, 2 plus 2. BODMAS also say that you can see here division first, then multiplication. If we follow this rule, then we will get 16. So, and these rules also get correct answer, but you have to apply correctly multiplication and division. How? Let's see. You have to work at first these numbers, that's mean bracket. So it will 4. Then we have to work left hand side, that's mean this way. So here is division, here is multiplication. You have to apply at first division. So it will 4, because 8 divided 2 means 4, cross 4, it will 16. This is the correct answer.